press ups all day. Pure press up. You're not listening. Too much fussing. Come on. Get up. Let's go. Every time you don't listen, you're doing a press up. Come on.